Jundoo Railway Dam is west of the small town of Sandstone and just north of the Sandstone to Mount Magnet Road. The dam was constructed as part of the railway from Mount Magnet to Sandstone that was opened in 1910. The dam is still in very good condition, and rumour has it that there may be a few yabbies hanging around in the water. There are no facilities at the dam, so please take out everything you take in. There's plenty of space to park up, and it's a great spot to spend the night. As it's set back a bit from the main road, there's very little traffic noise. It's a free camp and dogs are allowed. Wiki camps show the access road as a little east of where we saw a much better track. That's the one we have listed, and the GPS position given is for the better track entrance. As you will see when we follow the Wiki camp's suggested track out, this is still quite an acceptable road for any type of vehicle.